Hey everybody, what's going on out there? Here in the shack, thought I'd make another update. A few people have commented on my radios and asked for an update, and well, the latest edition, Cobra 25 LTD Classic, 11 meter CB. Been watching some reviews and videos online. They refer to that radio as the Colt 45 of radios, and that's talking about CB, of course, 11 meters. Of course, I have ham radios, amateur radios. Linko all bands, does all bands on that chart. Antron 10 meter only. Ranger CB, Freedom 1 by Ranger. Has a American flag on the front face, does upper and lower side band. It's a Ranger brand. That's Cobra. Have a Cobra 19 in my truck. Power supply, puts out 19 amps. Supplies power to all these radios. Have the linear hooked up. 45 watts output. Hooked up here to the Colt 45 radio, the Cobra 25 Classic. Got a meter here. Tells you how much power I got out. Got the Yazoo 2 meter. Puts out 75 watts of power for 2 meter only. Yazoo 2900. So let's check out this 2500. Cobra 25, I meant. A lot of skip rolling, and let me go ahead and say I'm using an Antron 99. The tip top of the antenna is 45 feet. Antron 99. I can use it on the CB or 10 meter ham band. 10 meter ham band here. So there's a lot of skip rolling. On CB they call it skip. On the ham radio we call it Sporatic E. So what's the radio doing? Let's see. Five watts, just under 5 watts on the old Heathkit meter made back in the 1960s. Flip on the linear. Just under 50 watts output. So I wanted to make a video and a review of this radio. It's awesome. Just acquired this the other day and got it hooked up to the Antron 99. People I talked to on this radio, which is a good radio, I sounded good on it. They told me this one had a better modulation, better output. Again, online reviews, people refer to this as the Colt 45 of CB radios. So I just wanted to do a review and an update of my shack and what I got going on. Good radio. I recommend this radio. Cobra 25 LTD Classic. The front face is a little distorted, but I found a new front face online that I could buy. And I think they still make these radios new. I saw them new online for over $100. This one has got a date on the back, 2004. It's 17 years old. From what I can tell from talking to people, it will walk the dog and kick the cat. Gets out pretty good, strong modulation. Thank y'all for watching.